Eh, you can't laugh yet. Was Mama sneezing? Eh, eh, eh. Sorry, guys, that's my best fake sneeze I can do. Still funny. You're tired. You want me to do it again? Okay, one more time. Stop! Okay, don't stop. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah? What do you want? You're so my kid. I haven't done it yet. I didn't even do anything. I just smiled. Okay, it's nap time. No, it's nap time. We good night? Don't growl at me. Say bye-bye.